morning guys, in front of me is LG Optimus G, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first you have to find and select camera app. Once you're in camera app, you have to tap on settings icon and scroll down till you see timer. Select timer and now pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. It's up to you. Let me go with 5 seconds. And now you can smoothly grab a picture. This will be done after 5 seconds. Well, that's it. That will be all. Whenever you want to switch the timer off, reach the settings, go to timer and just mark off. So that's it. That will be all. This is how you can manage camera timer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.